So we have here a statement or proposition. So when we say statement or proposition is a declarative sentence which is either true or false, but not both. Okay. So in logical statements, every language contains different types of sentences, such as statements, Another is questions and commands, Meron ding commands or inquiry, dito sa question, surprise, ano? Surprise. So, ang statement is sayo siya sa types sa sentences, Statement is the declarative. So, kung sa English, it ends with a period na mayaon. Declarative, ibig sabihin mayaon complete thought. So, pag sinabi namang command, to parang nagsusugo, di ba? Inquiry, question, surprise, kamsikan, di ba? So, let us have an example here in letter A. I am here. So, ibig sabihin, statement siya. Kasi, declarative, di ba? Una-una, declarative. Panduha na nadto para ma-meet ta ang definition. A declarative, okay, check siya sa declarative sentence, which is either true or false. Ibig sabihin, kaya mo siya masabi na yung number 1 is true. Or, pwede mo rin siyang ma-identify as false yung number 1. Pero, para masabi mo siya na statement yung number 1, hindi dapat both na answerable by true or false. Okay? So, I am here. So, statement. So, it is true. Kaya nagsugad siya na ada siya. Declarative sentence. Number 2. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. So, una, declarative sentence. So, di man equation siya. Pag mayaong ka doon makita na equal, so consider as statement siya. And then, panduha na definition is answerable by true or false. Okay? The same with number 3. 2 times 4 is equals to 6. So, miski siya false, kay ada man siya sa definition na pwede ang kanya answer is false. So, the answer is still statement. Kasi na-meet niya yung definition. Number 4. Joanne is leaving. So, statement, declarative, and then stating a fact or true. Number 5. What a waste of time. So, diri siya statement. Diri siya statement. So, ibig sabihin, ada siya sa surprise. Number 6, they are not happy. They are not happy. Ibig sabihin, una, declarative sentence, and then, panduha is true. Nag-state siya complete thought. Number 7, if you had my love, would you come to me? So, not a statement. So, diri siya declarative sentence. It doesn't end with a period. And then, of course, it is not answerable by true or false. So, for number 7, it's a question. Or inquiry. Number 8, just give me nothing but one more chance. So, command. Kaya not a statement. It takes years to build trust and a few seconds to destroy it. So, it is a statement. Number 10, I am telling a lie. So, statement. There is an integer x such that x squared is equals to 3. So it is also a statement. Number 12, New Delhi is the new capital of India. So it's statement. Please be quiet. So not a statement because it's a command. Number 14, why should we study mathematics? So it is not a statement because it's a inquiry or a question. Dogs can fly. So it is a statement.